Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get dark mode on TikTok for Android. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your device. If you go to your profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then head over to Settings and Privacy, you'll notice there's no option for dark mode on Android. On the iPhone, dark mode is easily available under Appearance. Recently, TikTok has started rolling out dark mode for Android users. Some users have received this feature in the latest update, but it might not be available in every region. For example, I'm in India and haven't received the update yet. However, it might be available in your region. Check the Google Play Store to see if the update is available, and if so, update your app. If the dark mode option is not available in your region, there is a workaround. You can use the Force Dark Mode option. Please note that this workaround only works with TikTok Lite. What you need to do is go to your device settings, scroll down, and tap on About Phone. Then head over to Software Information. Here you'll find the Build Number option. Tap on it multiple times to enable developer mode. Once developer mode is enabled, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Developer Options. Scroll down until you find the Force Dark Mode option. Toggle this option on, and it will activate dark mode in the TikTok Lite app. That's how you can do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.